My name is Hannah. Cauliflower is such a diverse vegetable. Not only is it delicious and nutritious, but it can be used in a variety of dishes as well. They belong to the brassica family and can come in shades of green, white, orange, and even purple. Mine aren't ready yet, but when they are, this is about the size that they'll get to. If you're choosing to plant cauliflower, you'll need to select a suitable spot with plenty of space and access to the sun. Cauliflower needs at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. It thrives in nutrient-rich soil, so add compost or well-rotted manure into the soil before planting to help improve the nutrients. If you're wanting to grow from seed, it's best practice to start your cauliflower seeds indoors or in a seed raising tray, approximately 6 to 8 weeks out from winter, and then transplant the seedlings outdoors when they have about 4 to 5 leaves. If you're planting seedlings like we are, make sure you read the planting guidelines for the recommended distance for your specific variety. We're planting white snow cauliflowers, which means we'll be planting them about 45 centimetres apart. Cauliflower needs consistent moisture for optimal growth, so water the plant deeply and regularly, but be mindful not to let the soil become waterlogged. We recommend mulching your cauliflower to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate the soil temperature. You can use organic mulch like sugarcane or this pea straw. Regular fertilisation will help the growing process, so choose an organic liquid fertiliser and apply it fortnightly. When it comes time to harvesting your cauliflower, they should be ready in about 12 to 14 weeks, or when the heads get to be about this big. Simply cut the bottoms with a knife to remove them from the plant. Now it's time to take the cauliflower inside and see what the chef can whip up for us. Hey Chris, I've got some cauliflower here.
Thanks Hannah, this cauliflower looks fantastic. Hi, I'm Chef Chris. Today I'm going to show you how to make Korean fried cauliflower using your own homegrown cauliflower. We'll start by making the spicy Korean sauce. Combine all the ingredients in a wok or a saucepan over high heat. You'll need 4 cloves of minced garlic, 10 grams of minced ginger, 50 grams of gochujang, 85 grams of brown sugar, 25 grams of soy sauce, 25 grams of tomato sauce, and a cup of water. Bring it all to a boil, then reduce, whisking occasionally until reduced to a glaze. That'll take about 4 minutes. Next, fill a large pot no more than halfway with canola oil and place over high heat. You want the oil at about 180 degrees. And while that's heating up, cut your cauliflower into bite-sized florets. To make the batter, whisk 1 egg with half a cup of cold water in a large bowl. Add 80 grams each of cornstarch and plain flour, plus a teaspoon each of baking powder and fine salt. Then whisk thoroughly to achieve a thick, smooth batter. Then add the cauliflower to the batter, tossing thoroughly to ensure every crevice is coated. Use a slotted spoon to remove the cauliflower, draining off any excess, before carefully placing into the frying oil. Fry for about 5 minutes or until golden and crisp, then drain onto a cooling rack. If you'd like it extra crispy, heat the oil up to 200 degrees, then fry the cauliflower all at once for another 3 minutes or until deeply golden and crisp. Then transfer your cauliflower straight to the sauce and toss to coat. Serve topped with toasted sesame seeds and spring onion greens. And now it's time to dig in. And there you have it, Korean fried cauliflower.
If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.